Take your circular blade off, snap it on. 2 bolts that we supply you here and here. 3 times the cutting capacity of a 16-inch Makita beam saw. The beauty of it is the chain cuts on the upstroke, so there's no kickback. When I go in to cut, it's going to pull into the cut. I can get 14 inches on a 45, 18 inches on a 90. The chain turns on the upstroke. So when I go in to cut, it's going to pull right into the cut. So watch this. The chain is cutting up. And now you get a perfect cut every time. My battery just bit the dust. Of all timing. I've been using it all day.